Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Classification and prediction of significant cyber incidents using data mining and machine learning. So in this work we have to classify what type of cybersecurity attacks in type of period. So it is a post-COVID period or pre-COVID period. So based on that we have to calculate what type of cybersecurity attacks can occur in the particular coordinates. So here we have to calculate what type of attack can occur in the particular period of the COVID, pre-COVID and post-COVID period. So this study focus on the importance of cybersecurity and the impacts of COVID-19 on cybersecurity. Data mining and machine learning techniques are used to predict, prevent and detect significant cyber incidents. So the results show that SVM are better classified than others. So overall abstract here. So this is our flow diagram based on what we have done in our work. So first we have to read the input data, and then we have to do the pre-processing steps. And then in these pre-processing steps we do handling missing values, label encoding and drop unordered columns, and then data splitting. This data splitting test and training data will be split based on the training data is 80% and test data is 20%, and then we have to classify the data based on the classifier models, random forest, Naïve Bayes and linear regression and support vector classifier models. So overall the support vector classifier model is provided the better performance for our work, and then predicts our results. Based on the results we have to calculate the performance metrics, accuracy, precision, recall and defense score. So this is the overall flow of our work. So this is the part of programming. So this is the tool we have used, Spider tool, for implementing the code. So first we have to import the packages what we are needed for implementing code. So these are the overall packages, and then here is the code we have to pre-processing, and then here user to feature extraction method, and then train test split method. So based on the train test method we have to calculate the overall results based on our models. So based on our results we have to calculate the performance metrics here. So in this code we have linear regression method and switching method, and then random forest classifier method. So based on the methods we have to calculate the results parts, and then here is the this is our proposed model support vector classifier results. So here pre-post period we have to calculate 98% accuracy, and then post COVID-19 period we have to calculate the 97 accuracy. So based on these values we have to compute our performances. So here we have to calculate based on our which content have the which type of attacks have. So this is the overall work, and then here we have to display the variable explorer what we have to store the particular values, and then plot images. So based on our results we have displayed our plot images. Thank you.